In 2026, people are still asking, does Shopify really give 120 days free? 4 whole months to launch your store? We'll break down the truth, the hidden tricks, and the full pricing so you know exactly what you'll pay. I've dug into the official site, forums, and Reddit. Let's get straight to it. Yes, the 120-day trial still exists, but only through Shopify's 1 Million Black Businesses program with Operation Hope. It's designed to support Black-owned businesses with free access, mentoring, and community. If you qualify, apply through the official 1MBB page. Approval unlocks the full 120 days. For everyone else, no universal 120-day option. Old hacks you see online are outdated. Can you just ask support for more time? Back in 2020 to 2023, yes. People got 90 days during COVID or small extensions if polite. But in 2026, it's rare. You might get 1 to 7 extra days if you have a legit reason. Most times, support points you to the current promo, 3 days free, then $1 per month for 3 months. So don't bank on big extensions. Here's the best deal for everyone right now. 3 days completely free, then $1 per month for 3 months. That's about 90 days of super cheap testing. After that, here's the real pricing. Basic, $39 monthly, $29 if annual. Grow, $105 monthly, $79 annual. Advanced, $399 monthly, $299 annual. Plus, starts at $2,300 on a 3-year term. Higher plans mean lower card fees and more staff accounts. Annual billing saves big if you're committed. Most beginners start with Basic. Want to stretch your trial? Create a free Shopify Partner account. You can build development stores with unlimited trial time. But remember, to sell live, you'll need a paid plan. Don't abuse it. During your trial, week 1, set up theme, pages, payments. Add 20 to 50 products. Test traffic with organic posts and small ads. Aim for sales in 30 to 60 days. Stick to free apps to keep costs down. So here's the recap. 120 days free is real, but only for eligible 1MBB businesses. Support might give you a few extra days, but don't count on it. For everyone else, grab the $1 per month for 3 months. It's the best deal. Which plan are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. If this saved you time, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more 2026 e-commerce updates. Links below for the $1 per month deal. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now go launch that store.